Hi folks, Rick Berube here, Vice President of Sales of Berkshire, Hatahway, HomeServices of Arizona, California, and Nevada. And today I want to talk to you about crushing the second half of the year. It's July, we're in the second half of the year. So I have three really quick points for you to consider. Number one, and I firmly believe this one, and it may sound a little crazy at first, you need to have a conversation with yourself on the way to work. I'm talking about shut the radio off, listen to yourself talk. And today it's easy because you can put those little earbuds in, like I have those Apple pods for my ear. They don't know who you're talking to. You're going to be walking around talking to yourself. Nobody knows. You should have a conversation with yourself about your affirmations. In the second half, I sell this many homes. I set this many appointments. I make this much money. You have to have an out loud conversation to yourself about your goals on the way to work. Okay? It's very important. I'm telling you, and it works magically. Second one is submit to the process more and more each day. All right? You know, you have a certain amount of people you got to talk to every day. You got to be proactive. Get into that process. And I recommend you do it first. Have the conversation. Get into the process. Do it first when you get to work. Do not allow yourself to get into other stuff before you get to your proactive process every single day. And then number three on my list is expectations. You have to have super positive expectations. Here's what I mean. When I get on the phone, I expect people to answer me. When I go on appointments, I expect them to list with me. When I work with buyers, I expect them to buy from me. Okay? So and it's not a arrogant cockiness, which is repelling, just like so is needy and desperate is repelling. But that line right in the middle called confidence is attractive, and that's where you want to be. It just takes practice to do that. Think about applying these three things. Have a great second half. Look forward to seeing you all shortly. Thank you for your time.